start. Noor Muhammad, who died on 2nd October 1960, left behind the agriculture land in Deh Samruti district Mirpur Khas. Details thereof are available with the district officer, Board of Revenue, Mirpur Khas, as well as Board of Revenue, Sindh, EP Wing 79, Park Secretariat, Karachi, and Secretary, Rehabilitation, SNR, Central Record Office, Lahore. Full stop. The appellants. The Election Commission is a body created under the Constitution to dispense political justice and ensure that chosen representatives are elected to possession the authority. That Article 140A has two dimensions, that is to say, in terms of Article 140A bracket में 1 mandate is given to the provincial government to frame laws regarding the local government system, whereas subclass 2 of the said article mandates that the elections are to be held by the Election Commission. Full stop. He added that in the absence to appropriate laws, the Election Commission of Pakistan cannot carry out its mandate of holding fair election for the local government. Close. Trial court for deletion of the petitioner's name, who was defendant number 2, from the column of defendants for his being an unnecessary party to the suit. Full stop. This application was allowed by the London Trial Court on 19th December 2006, and the petitioner's name was deleted from the suit as defendant. Full stop. The court further shows that thereafter, on 20th July 2007, the respondent number 1, plaintiff, and respondent number 2, defendant, compromised with each other. As a result of suit of the respondent number 1 was decreed as prayed for on 20th July 2007. Full stop. Scrutiny of record transpires that despite availing as many as 6 opportunities, the petitioners have miserably failed to produce evidence. Full stop. In the case of Maulvi Abdul Aziz versus Musammad Shah Jahan, Civil Revision number 3343-2014, 3 Begum and 2 others, PLD 1971 SC 434, the provisions of Order 14, Rule 3 of Code of Civil Procedure 1908 came under consideration before the Honorable Supreme Court of Pakistan, and following principle was enunciated. It will be seen that this rule applies to a case where time has been granted to a party at his instance. And close.